In this video we are off to HQ Airsoft at Driffield, and mine and Dad's replica of choice is our Spectre arms. Hope you enjoy our video.
Careful, pup. To the left flank.
Dad takes out a runner, and behind the fence is a 4-man mortar team. So Dad actually managed to hit all 4 players of the mortar squad, but thought they were cheating at the time, but they wasn't. They actually couldn't call their hits until their mortar went off, and then after their mortar went off they called their hits and they had to head back to respawn. Dad was silly and forgot to take his gun off of safe, but me and the Hawaiian shirt guy got a good trade and we headed back to respawn.
Well done, pups. Come on. Behind us on this corner. They're here. You just see them through that window. It is dead. Alright, pal.
Yeah, you just have to fucking snipe. I got one!
We struggled to see all of the ghillie suits and snipers due to the undergrowth being so thick.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah.
One on the left. I'll take the 2 on the right.
Yeah.
Go,
You got him? Go in, yeah.
Ready? Slowly, I'm not going to go right in that corner. Yeah.
Can't see the 2 to the right. Right on the floor.
This was a semi-auto game and Dad accidentally knocked his gun into full auto and accidentally got the sniper, but whoever you are, thank you for taking it so well.
Hey!
This is one of the tunnels down in HQ in one of the buildings, and we do believe that this is one of the smallest ones out of the 4. A random kamikaze kid.
He's off his head, isn't he?
It's not with me either. It's fucking random.
Oh, he's not with you. He's hit. Yeah, he's hit, puppy. I just got him.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and check out our Instagram. Thank you. Bye.